Hello students, we are solving various problems of this topic, that is depreciation, and now we are solving the method of calculating depreciation, method of providing depreciation, which is reducing balance method or written down value method. See this next problem of this method. On 1st April 2012, Sonu Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 3,90,000, on which they spent rupees 5,000 for carriage, 2,000 for brokerage of the middleman, and 2,500 for installation, and 500 for an iron pad. These all things will be debited to machinery account and credited to bank account, and which will be added to the cost of machinery. Okay, so 3,90,000 plus all these expenses, total rupees 10,000. Total cost of the machinery will be rupees 4 lakhs. This is our first machinery. Then on 1st November 2013, they purchased another machinery for rupees 1 lakh and immediately spent rupees 20,000 on its overhauling. So 1 lakh plus 20,000. Second machinery's total cost will be 1,20,000. On 30th September 2014, the machinery purchased in 2012, means first machinery, was sold at a loss of rupees 1,27,800. The company charges depreciation at 10% per annum on written down value basis. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So now we have to prepare machinery account up to 31st March 2015. Let's start. So here we will prepare machinery account of Sonu Limited, and here we will do the working as usual. Okay, so let's prepare the working note first, and then from that working note we will prepare machinery account. See, they told in the problem, it is given that 1st April 2012 they have purchased a machinery for rupees 3,90,000. Additionally, they have spent 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,500 and plus rupees 5,000, sorry, rupees 500, total rupees 10,000 for various expenses. So we will pass the journal entry for this in machinery account, and total cost of machinery, as I have discussed earlier, will be rupees 4 lakhs. So this is our first machinery on 1st April 2012, 4 lakhs. Okay, this is our first machinery. Then they have purchased on 1st November 2013 another machinery for rupees 1 lakh plus 20,000, that is 1,20,000. So this will be our second machinery on 1st November 2013, 1,20,000. Okay, then it is given that this is the first machinery purchased in the year 2012, was sold at a loss of rupees 1,27,800 on 30th September 2014. Okay, so till 30th September 2014 we have to deduct the depreciation. First depreciation will be deducted on the year end, that is on 31st March 2013. We have to prepare machinery account up to 31st March 2013, starting from 1st April 2012. So 1st April 2012 to 31st March 13, then 1st April 13 to 31st March 14, and from 1st April 2014 to 31st March 2015. So we have to prepare machinery account for 3 years. 1 एप्रिल 2012ला सुरू झालेलं वर्ष 31 मार्च 2013ला संपेल, आणि 31 मार्चचा दुसरा दिवस 1 एप्रिल 13ला दुसरं फायनान्शियल इयर चालू होईल, विच विल एंड ऑन 31st March 14. नेक्स्ट फायनान्शियल इयर विल स्टार्ट ऑन 1st April 2014 and end on 31st March 2015. Okay, so first depreciation will be deducted on 31st March 2013, 10% of 4 lakhs, that is 40,000. So on 1st April 2013, written down value will be 3,60,000. Okay, the year will end on 31st March 2014, and they have sold this machinery in third year, that is on 30th September 2014. 14. So I will deduct the depreciation on 31st March 2014 again for 12 months, that is for 4 years. We are following written down value method. So 10% of 3,60,000, that is 36,000. These both the depreciations are for 12 months. Keep it in mind. Okay. So 3,60,000 minus 36,000, it will be 3,24,000 on the first day of third year, that is 1st April 2014. Now in this year they have sold this machinery on 30th September 2014. So here from April to September end they have used this machinery for 6 months. Okay, so we have to deduct depreciation for 6 months first. Full year's depreciation will be 10% of 3,24,000, that is 32,400, and for 6 months it will be half, that is 16,200. So 16,200. After deducting 16,200, the written down value will be 3,07,800. It is correct, 3,07,800. And they told us that they have sold this machinery at a loss of 1,27,800. म्हणजे 1,27,800 एवढा लॉस घेऊन विकली आहे ही मशिनरी. म्हणजे 1,27,800नी कमी किमतीला विकली आहे. So when we deduct 1,27,800 loss from this cost, the value will be 1,80,000. It means they have sold this machinery for rupees 1,80,000. So they have loss of rupees 1,27,800 in this sale of machinery. Loss in sale is 1,27,800. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये बघा 1,80,000 ही अमाऊंट डिरेक्टली दिलेली नाही आहे, पण आपल्याला त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे की त्यांनी लॉसला विकलेली आहे 1,27,800 लॉसला. म्हणजेच या कॉस्टच्या 1,27,800 कमी किमतीला त्यांनी ती मशिनरी सेल केली. सो मी 3,07,800मधून 1,27,800 डिडक्ट केले, त्यावेळी मला सेलची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. सो त्यांनी 1,80,000ला ही मशिनरी सेल केल्यामुळे त्यांना 1,27,800 एवढा लॉस झाला आहे. ओके. नाव सेकंड मशिनरी. दिस मशिनरी वॉज परचेस्ड ऑन 1st November 2013. सो November 13, December 13, then January, February and March 14. 5 months. They have used this machinery for 5 months before the year end. The year will end on 31st March 2014. We have to deduct depreciation for 5 months. It's easy to calculate because 10% of 1,20,000 will be 12,000. 12,000 for 12 months means 5,000 will be for 5 months. हे जर समजत नसेल तर 10% 12,000 divided by 12 into 5, because we have to calculate depreciation for 5 months. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So 1 month's depreciation will be 1,000. So 5 months will be 5,000. Understood? So here we have to deduct 5,000 rupees depreciation, and so written down value will be 1,15,000 on 1st April 2014. And then last year ending 31st March 2015. So 31st March 2015 we have to depreciate 10% of this cost, that is 11,500. So 11,500, and when we deduct 11,500 from 1,15,000, the written down value will be 1,03,500. Understood? So at the end, after preparing machinery account, at the end, that is on 31st March 2015, our balance of machinery account should be 1,03,500, because we have only second machinery after completion of 3 financial years. Understood? So now from this working we will prepare machinery account. Keep your working handy and start solving with me, that is preparing machinery account in the books of Sonu Limited. Okay. Now first we have to purchase first machinery, means first entry will be of purchase of first machinery, that is on 1st April 2012. On 1st April 2012 they have purchased machinery to bank account. First machinery purchase, Total rupees 4 lakhs means 3,90,000 and two bank account for expenses of this machinery. Total amount rupees 10,000. So we'll consider total machinery's total cost will be 4 lakhs. Understood? Now we have only this machinery, so at the year end on 31st March 2013 we have to deduct the depreciation by depreciation account, and depreciation will be 40,000. And now we will tally 4 lakhs minus 40,000, balance will be 3,60,000 on 31st March 2013 by balance carried down 3,60,000. Okay, it will be brought down on 1st April 2013, that is the next day of 31st March. Two balance brought down 3,60,000. Understood? Now in second year they have purchased second machinery on 1st November 2013. Okay, so on 1st November 2013, two bank account they have purchased machinery for rupees 1 lakh and two bank account expenses 20,000. It means total cost of second machinery will be 1,20,000. तुम्ही वेगवेगळे असे एंट्रीज न करता टोटल करून 4 लॅक्सची डिरेक्टली एंट्री केली तरी चालेल. नॅरेशनमध्ये तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करावं लागेल की मशिनरीची ओरिजिनल प्राइस किती आणि एक्सपेन्सेस किती. ओके, सो फर्स्ट मशिनरी कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 3,60,000 इज विथ अस and second machinery costing rupees 1,20,000 is with us. And at the end of this year, that is on 31st March 2014, we have to deduct the depreciation of both the machineries. So by depreciation account, see here, first machinery's depreciation for 12 months 36,000, that is 10% of 3,60,000, and second machinery's depreciation is rupees 5,000, that is 10% of 1,20,000 for 5 months. Okay, so total depreciation will be 36,000 plus 5,000. That is 41,000. Okay, now we'll tally this account for second year. Total amount is 4,80,000. 4,80,000 minus 41,000, so balance will be 4,39,000 at the end of the year, that is on 31st March 2014. By balance carried down, it will be brought down on first day of next year, that is third year, 1st April 2014. Two balance brought down 4,39,000. Now in this year they have sold the first machinery. So here on 30th September 2014, first we have to provide for depreciation, then we have to sell the entry of machinery sold, and we have to pass the entry of loss in sale. So on 30th September 2014, by depreciation account 16,200, it is for 6 months because this machinery before selling it was used for 6 months. Then by bank account, machinery sold, sale of machinery 1,80,000 as we have discussed earlier, and so they have loss of rupees 1,27,800. So by profit and loss account, loss in sale 1,27,800. These entries are on 30th September 2014. ओके, आता नवीन मशिनरी काही परचेस वगैरे केलेली नाही, त्यामुळे डायरेक्टली ॲट द एंड ऑफ द year, that is on 31st March 2015, we have to provide for depreciation of remaining machinery. As per our calculation, it is 11,500. Okay, so now we will tally. Debit total is 4,39,000 minus total of these four items. So credit total, when we deduct from 4,39,000, the balance is 1,03,500. So by balance carried down on 31st March 2015, 1,03,500, which will be brought down on 1st April 2015, to balance brought down on 1st April 2015, 1,03,500. Okay, just like our working. So you have to prepare machinery account as well as depreciation account for practice, and then past journal entries. Okay, and if there is any doubt, you can ask. That's all.